My name is Lawrence Das, founder of Akka's Handcrafted Foods. Akka means older sister in Tamil and Indian language, also my mother tongue. When my Akka visited US, she used the Meyer lemons from the backyard and made a relish, Meyer lemon relish. It was so good and everybody loved it. It was made with the homemade recipe. At Akka's, we use all natural ingredients. Our products are free of GMO, preservatives and additives. We buy most of the produce from farmers markets and growers directly. For example, we buy our organic Meyer lemons from Birch Hill Farm at Central Coast, California. We roast our spices and grind them for most freshness and aroma prior to the use in our products. Akka's products are artisanal and handmade in small batches of 2 to 3 gallons. Akka's products are authentic, flavorful and natural tasting. We make our products with love and care like an older sister would care for the family. Anyone can use Akka's products to make authentic Indian food at home easily and quickly. We feel rewarded when Akka's products bring a homemade feel in the midst of our customers wherever they are used.